Hello everyone, and welcome back to Destin Learning. One of the most common tasks for cloud engineers is to set up virtual machines. In this video we will demonstrate how you can set up a virtual machine with Amazon EC2. Let's go ahead and get started. Amazon EC2 is a versatile AWS service for setting up and managing virtual machines. It allows you to run applications, develop software, or host websites without physical servers. This guide covers the step-by-step process, including selecting an instance type and connecting to your VM. To set up a virtual machine on AWS, first create an AWS account. Visit the AWS free tier page and click Create a free account. Follow the prompts to complete your account setup, providing billing information. Finally, log into the AWS Management Console using your new account credentials. To navigate to EC2, open the AWS Management Console, search for EC2, and select the EC2 Dashboard from the results. To create your virtual machine, click the Launch Instance button to start the process. An Amazon Machine Image (AMI) is a template that includes the OS and software for your virtual machine. AWS offers pre-configured AMIs, including Linux distributions and Windows. Choose an AMI that suits your needs. Amazon Linux 2 or Ubuntu are good choices for beginners. When selecting an instance type, consider the hardware resources available, such as CPU, memory, and networking. For basic tasks, the T2.micro instance is a good choice as it is eligible for the AWS free tier. In this step, you can adjust settings like networking, storage, and the number of instances. For a simple setup, leave the default settings unchanged and proceed by clicking Next. AWS EC2 automatically configures storage based on the AMI you chose. The default storage size is 8 GB, but you can increase it if you need more space. Tags help in organizing and identifying instances. This step is optional and can be skipped if tags are not needed. Security groups act as virtual firewalls controlling traffic to and from your instance. Ensure SSH port 22 for Linux or RDP, port 3389 for Windows is enabled. Optionally, restrict access to your IP address for increased security. Review your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Click Launch to start your EC2 instance. You'll be prompted to create a key pair, which is essential for securely accessing your virtual machine. Once your EC2 instance is running, connect to it by checking its status, obtaining the public DNS or IP address, and using SSH for Linux or RDP for Windows. Make sure to download the keypair.pem file when prompted during the instance launch. This file is essential for SSH access and must be kept secure. To connect via SSH, open your terminal or PowerShell, navigate to your keypair directory, modify file permissions, and run the SSH command with your keypair and instance DNS. Make sure to download the keypair.pem file created during the launch process. To convert the keypair, use puttigan to change the PEM file into a PPK file. This is necessary for POO-TTY, a common SSH client for Windows which uses PPK files for authentication. To connect via POO-TTY, open the software and enter your instance's public DNS in the hostname field. Configure SSH authentication by selecting your PPK file under connection greater than SSH greater than auth. Finally, click Open to establish the connection. After launching and connecting to your virtual machine, you can install software, run applications, and configure it as needed. Amazon CloudWatch is a tool that monitors the performance of your EC2 instance. It tracks CPU usage, memory usage, and network activity. Auto-scaling in EC2 helps handle traffic spikes by automatically adjusting the number of instances based on demand, ensuring optimal performance. Elastic load balancing (ELB) is used for web applications to distribute incoming traffic across multiple instances. This ensures availability and improves fault tolerance. When done using your instance, you can either stop or terminate it. Stopping retains data, while terminating deletes it. To stop or terminate, go to the EC2 dashboard, select your instance, choose Actions greater than instance state, and select Stop or Terminate. Setting up a virtual machine on AWS using EC2 is straightforward and powerful. EC2 offers flexible and scalable resources for developers and businesses. By following this guide, you can launch and manage virtual machines, experiment, scale, and build in the cloud with Amazon EC2. Well, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you would like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. I'll see you in another video soon.